Sniffly sneezes involves children exploring different materials to see which ones are the most suitable for wiping your nose. This fits well with topics on everyday materials. The materials that the children test should be readily available around your setting, either among the art, D&T or science resources. You will also need some coloured water, which can be made by adding food colouring or water-soluble paint to tap water. You will also need some plastic trays and pipettes. One way of testing is just to put the materials into a tray and then pop some water onto the top and observe what happens. We can see that that's soaked into the material quite quickly, and it has come through and there is some water on the tray. Another way to test might be to make some spills that are about the same size and then use one cloth to try and wipe up one spill. And we can see that that's wiped that nose very nicely. And let's try a different one. That one has still left quite a lot of water in the tray, so that one was less absorbent and is going to be less successful at wiping your nose. The simplest approach to the children recording their findings is to ask them to sort the materials according to how absorbent they think they are before testing them. Then take a photograph of that and compare it to their findings from testing. You could ask the children to sort the materials and share which were absorbent and which were not. Were any of the materials more or less absorbent than they expected? The children can then think about which of the absorbent materials would be most suitable for wiping your nose with and why, considering how soft and strong they are. Which material would they choose for a hanky?